Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very powerful looking Colossus from Deadpool 2. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his mean brow first. So we're going to draw it right in the middle, so we just draw in a little angle like this. And now for the brow itself, we're just going to go out. And then we're going to come down. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw the eye itself. So just going to start right here, come up, go across, and then down. So it's like a little bracket. So start here, go up, then straight across, and then just come down. And then once you have that, we just close off the bottom. Just connect those lines, and it's gonna be pretty much like a horizontal line. Okay, and then from here, from this point here on the brow, just connect it to the corner of the eye. So that makes it a little bit more robotic. And then from here, we're gonna draw the nose. So just come down from the corners of the eye. You can draw two little lines like this, and then we'll just draw in one angle just to connect that. So it's gonna be his nose. And then we're gonna come down for his mouth, so we're just gonna draw kind of like a mean face. And on the corner here, just draw like two little lines. And then for the bottom of the lip, we'll just draw another line. So it's kind of cartoony, but it still looks cool. And then from the nose area here, just draw in two little lines. Give it a little bit of creasing. Okay, so from here, let's draw in the rest of the face. So it's gonna be pretty straight here. So we just kind of draw in two lines. And right around here, we're gonna come in to give him a little bit of a cheekbone here. All right, and then once you have that, then we're just gonna continue this line all the way down around here. Finish off the jaw. And then we're gonna turn it in. Give him a nice thick chin. Okay, and then from here, let's go up. So we're gonna go up, just curve this one in. And then come down here, you can make a point if you want. This is just gonna come down and meet up to that middle point for the hairline. So now for the hair, you can start up here if you like. We can just meet up on this corner here, just draw like a little line like this. And then we're just gonna come down to the side. So it's very straight, just a slight curve. And then to finish off the top, so we're just gonna connect this and just give it a slight curve. And let's see, and then the ear, so right on the eye area right here, it's gonna come out, draw a little curve. All right, so it's a pretty cool looking head. So now let's draw in his neck, and he's Colossus, so we're gonna make him nice and strong. So we're gonna start right here. Let's draw in two little slants. So he's got a very thick neck. And then we'll just connect this with a nice curve for the collar. All right, and then from here, let's draw in his shoulders. We're gonna come out. Come down straight. This is where the arm's gonna be. And then we're gonna pinch it in to his waist. Then we'll close it off. This is gonna be the top of the belt. And we can draw in the belt. So we just extend it one section, close it off, and we can draw in the belt buckle and just put an X in there. So just go corner to corner. All right, and now let's go ahead and add in some detail to the clothing. So this one start in the middle, right here. We're just gonna go straight down. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna go, just pick a point down here. Then we're gonna go slant it upward. Go straight up. Okay, we gotta draw another one. Just go down slightly. You're gonna go all the way out. and then slant it up again. So again, same slant, and then go up. And then here, from this point here, we're just gonna go out all the way to the side. And then come down a little bit more, all the way to the corner. Okay, so this is actually the bottom of the X, and so we're gonna draw the upper part here, so we can start here, just gonna go up, and just close it off with a slant. So we're gonna go up, close it off with a slant. That's a little bit tricky. It's a lot of little strange angles. Okay, so let's draw in the arms now. So it's gotta be nice and strong, so we'll add in some extra lines here. So we're gonna curve out. This part here, we're gonna straight, and then just kind of connect that. And then for the bicep, we're gonna start out here, just curve it, come in. This part we're gonna go out, and then again we come in. And then once you have that, go from this point here, just make a little curve all the way to this point. So for his lower arm, we're gonna start up here. We're gonna go out, curve, and then here, go out, curve in. And we're gonna close it off. And then we can add in his fist. So this one's gonna be easy. We're gonna come out, turn in, back of the fist, rest of the fingers curve in. Okay, so let's draw in the other arm. So it's gonna be exactly the same as this one. So we're just gonna come out, and again from the corner here, straight line across, connect that. Biceps gonna start here, come down a little bit, and just kind of come in. So it's almost the same as that line. And then on the back, start here, curve, and then we're gonna curve it to this corner here. And then we're gonna connect this with a slight curve. Okay, and then for the lower arm, come out, pinch in. This one's gonna go out, curve in, and then we're gonna close it off. So again, the fists come out, turn in for the thumb, back of the hand, fingers curling inward. Alright, so you can use this side for reference so you know how long to make the arms. Okay, so let's draw in the legs. So in the middle here, we're gonna come down, just make a little mark, and we're gonna continue this. We're gonna curve out and curve in, curve out, in, close it off. He's got some knee pads, so we're just drawing a little, almost like a box. And then just close it off. And then the other side is going to be the same. Curve out, come in, curve out, go back in, close it off. A little bit of curve. Okay, and then the lower legs. Go out, curve in, close it off. Okay, I'm gonna draw in a little bit of a dome shape. I'll make it a little bit straighter. Close it off. And then we can add in a little bit or so. Okay, and now on this side it's gonna be the same. So go out, curve this one in, close it off, slight curve down here, and then we're gonna go out slightly, close it off, and then a little bit so. And then for the details on the boot here, we can draw in 2 lines for the zipper. Just add in some little details in here. And then on the top part here, it's got some details. So right in the middle, we'll just draw in like a little angle like this. And then from this corner, we're gonna come down, And then we're gonna turn it inward and then straight down. So we're gonna turn it inward and then straight down. And now for the lines across his body, I'm gonna switch to a smaller Sharpie so it won't be too messy. So we can actually start here. So we can draw one full curve. Okay, and then from there we could just go down, draw one, keep going. Okay, and then we can draw for the arm. It's gonna be slightly at an angle. So just draw in. So we can continue that. Okay, and then we can continue these lines as well. And as I get down here, just kind of slowly turn it a little bit so that it's kind of continuing with this this direction. And then for the fist, so for his fingers, we're gonna draw a line there and we're gonna go this way. Okay, so let's draw the other side. So again, we can start in the middle. So 1, 2. Just continue this. It's okay if you guys have different amount of lines. It's just as long as you have some lines around it and it's kind of evenly spaced all the way around, then it will look good. Then fifth finger here, turn it, then we gotta draw in lines this way. And that is it for this Colossus from Deadpool 2. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.